Hi guys, continue natin yung video natin about common math problems in entrance exam. Mayroon na tayong pang-pitong videos, items 1 to 40. And eto yung number 41. And ang goal ko sa video na to ay mabuo ko yung 50 items na goal ko. Make sure na napanood mo na yung mga videos natin, items 1 to 40. Eto na yung number 41. Kaya kung ikaw ay nagre-review sa entrance exam, siguraduhin yung napanood mo na yung mga videos natin. Start tayo number 41. The graph of a line passes through 0, 1. Find the equation of a line if its x-intercept is 9. Pause and try. Ito yung mga solution natin. And after that, kung tama ka, tignan natin. Done na ba? Okay. Analyze natin ang maigi. Sabi daw, yung graph daw ng line ay nag-pass at 0, 1. Tapos pinapahanap yung equation ng line kung yung x-intercept niya is 9. Paano ba natin makukuha yung equation ng line? So, meron tayong given na point, 0, 1, and yung x-intercept is 9. Pero, ano ba tong x-intercept? Ang x-intercept, siya yung x-value sa x-axis kung saan nag-pass yung graph. Dito, meron tayong line. Therefore, yung line nag-pass sa x is equal to 9. Tapos, nasa x-axis siya. Now, kung ang x-intercept natin is 9, yung point ay magiging 9, 0. Now, paano naging 9, 0? Since yung x-intercept nasa x-value, nasa x-axis, kapag nasa x-axis yung point, yung y-coordinate ng point is palaging 0, right? Okay. Now, meron na tayong dalawang points. And kapag meron tayong dalawang points, madali na lang natin makukuha yung equation ng line. Ano yung next na gagawin natin? So, meron tayong 3 forms of equation of a line. Discuss natin yung 3 forms of equation of a line. Una, ito yung slope-intercept form. In the form, y mx plus b. Slope-intercept form. Pangalawa, yung point-slope form. Yung point-slope form ay y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. And yung pangatlo na form ng equation ng line, 2-point form. So, kapag 2-point form, that is y minus y sub 1. Etong m, palitan lang natin ng y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 multiplied by x minus x sub 1. Now, isa-isa natin. Dito sa slope-intercept form, tinawag siyang slope-intercept form kasi sa equation na to, mayroong slope and meron tayong intercept. Etong b, ito yung y-intercept. So kapag y-intercept, siya yung magpapass sa y-axis. Now, ito namang pangalawa, point-slope form kasi meron tayong given na isang point. Yung isang point, yung coordinates x sub 1, y sub 1. And yung slope is m. Kaya, point-slope form. Yung pangatlong form, 2-point form. Tinawag siyang 2-point form kasi given tayo ng dalawang points. Ang coordinates ng isang point is x, 1, y, 1. And yung coordinates ng pangalawang point ay x sub 2, y sub 2. Ito. Now, ano yung gagamitin natin sa tatlong form na ito para makuha yung equation ng line? Tignan natin yung mga choices. Lahat ng choices ay nasa form na ganito. Ito yung form na slope-intercept form. Kasi slope, tapos y-intercept. Therefore, gamitin natin itong unang form ng equation ng line. Slope-intercept form. Ginagamit natin sila para makuha yung equation ng line. Gamit yung slope-intercept form, hahanapin natin yung value ng m, yung slope, and yung y-intercept. So, paano ba natin to makahanap? Ang gagawin natin is, gamitin natin tong given sa atin na dalawang points. So, paano ba makuha yung m, yung slope? Yung slope, meron tayong formula, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, magiging, alin tong y sub 2, y sub 1? Let's say, etong unang point, x sub 1, y sub 1. And etong pangalawang point, x sub 2, y sub 2. So, magiging, substitute na lang natin, magiging 0, y sub 2, eto, minus, ang y sub 1 natin is 1, over x sub 2, that is 9, minus, x sub 1 is 0. So, simplify, negative 1 over 9. So, meron na tayong value ng m, yung slope. So, ilagay na natin dito. Magiging negative 1 over 9 x plus b. Next, ano yung gagawin natin? Tandaan natin tong formula sa slope. Burahin natin muna. Ang next na gagawin natin is isosolve natin to si b. Paano natin masosolve na b? Ang gagawin natin is, since meron tayong x and y na variables para makuha yung b, ang gagawin natin is, pumili tayo ng point dito sa dalawa. Kahit alin, etong point or etong point. And yung x and y coordinates nila ay isasubstitute natin dito sa x and y. So magiging, let's say dito tayo sa unang point, ang y natin is 1, so substitute. Ang x natin is 0. Tapos, solve for b, magiging b is equal to, eto 0, therefore, b is equal to 1. Now, eto yung gusto nating form ng equation ng line. So, ang final answer natin is, ang m natin is negative 1 over 9, copy x, plus, ano yung b natin? That is 1. Therefore, eto na yung final answer natin. That is, etong letter C. Kahit alisin na natin yung 1. Tapos gawing numerator yung x. Yan. Tandaan natin tong slope-intercept form. Number 42. A line is perpendicular to another line, 2x plus y is equal to negative 3. If the line passes at point negative 2, 3, find the equation of the line in general form. Pause and try. Ito yung choices. Done? Okay. Analyze natin. Sabi daw, yung line is perpendicular to another line. And binigay yung another line. Now, ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng perpendicular? So, kunwari, meron tayong isang line, tapos perpendicular siya sa another line. Kunwari, yung isang line is eto. Matatawag siyang perpendicular kapag nag-form sila ng right angle, 90 degrees. Kunwari naman, eto yung isang line, tapos meron tayong isang line dito. And nag-form sila ng 90 degrees or right angle. Therefore, the two lines are perpendicular. Gets? Okay. Ganyan yung perpendicular. Next. If the line passes at point negative 2, 3, find the equation of the line in general form. So, binigay yung isang point, negative 2, 3. Tapos, hahanapin natin yung equation ng line in general form. Now, kapag general form, ang form ng equation ng line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Yung right side is palaging 0. Therefore, ito agad ay wala na sa choices natin. Kasi yung right side ay 1. Ito yung goal natin form ng equation ng line. So, ano yung gagawin natin para makuha yung equation ng line in general form? Gamitin natin tong concept na perpendicular. Sa equation ng line, kapag sinabing perpendicular siya to another line, ang slope nila ay negative reciprocal. Kunwari, yung slope ng isang line is 2. Therefore, ang slope ng perpendicular sa kanya na line is negative 1 over 2. Negative, naging negative, reciprocal. Ang reciprocal ng 2 ay 1/2. Kunwari naman, ang slope ng isang line is 2/3. Therefore, ang slope ng another line na perpendicular dito is negative 3 over 2. Kasi, negative reciprocal. So, tandaan natin yung concept. Ano yung next na gagawin natin? Ngayong alam natin na ang slope nila ay negative reciprocal, ang gagawin natin is kunin natin yung slope nitong binigay na another line. Ilagay natin yung equation 2x plus y is equal to negative 3. Now, paano ba tayo mag-identify ng slope given yung equation niya ng line? Ang gagawin natin is i-transform natin tong equation ng line into slope-intercept form. Yung slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b. And yung m dyan is the slope of the line. So, transform natin to into this form. So, magiging y is equal to, eto ilipat natin magiging negative 2x, right? And copy lang yung negative 3. Therefore, yung slope ng another line is negative 2. Now, kapag yung slope niya is negative 2, yung slope ng line na hinahanap natin, etong line, is negative reciprocal of this. Ano yung negative reciprocal ng negative 2? That is, magiging positive, tapos yung reciprocal ng 2 ay 1/2. Therefore, ang slope ng line na hinahanap natin is 1/2. 1/2 is negative reciprocal of negative 2. Now, burahin muna natin to. Focus na tayo dito. Meron tayong isang point given yung isang slope. So, paano ba natin makukuha yung equation ng line in general form? Gamitan natin siya ng form, either of the three forms na sinabi ko sa previous video. Yung slope-intercept form, point-slope form, and two-point form. So, para sa akin, ang gagamitin kong form ay yung point-slope form. Yung point-slope form, that is y minus y sub 1 is equal to m x minus x sub 1. Diba? Ito yung point-slope form. Bakit? Kasi given tayo ng isang point, this is the x sub 1, this is the y sub 1. So, meron tayong m, meron tayong x sub 1, y sub 1, palitan na lang natin. So, magiging y minus y sub 1, that is 3. M is 1/2. X sub 1, that is negative 2. So, magiging negative 2. Now, simplify na lang natin and convert to this form. So, magiging, ang gagawin muna natin is negative times negative, that is positive. So, magiging positive 2 na lang to. So, plus 2. Next, multiply natin both sides by 2 para eto makancel. So, magiging, distribute natin, magiging 2y, 2 times negative 3, that is negative 6, copy equal, eto na lang yung natira, x plus 2. Now, ano yung next na gagawin natin para maging gantong form? So, magiging, ang gagawin ko na lang is, eto na 2y, ilipat ko na lang sa kanan. So, magiging 0 is equal to magiging x minus 2y. Tapos, eto, ilipat ko rin siya. Gagawin natin 0 yung left side. So, magiging positive 6 dito. 6 plus 2, that is 8. And now, pwede na natin i-interchange itong left side and right side. So, magiging x minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. So, andito na tayo sa form na general form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, ito na yung final answer natin. And, wala siya sa choices. Therefore, may mali sa problem. So kapag ganyan sa exam, may mali sa problem, hula na lang kayo kung alin yung mas malapit or mas kamuka. Palakasan na lang ng dasal. So para sa akin, ang gagawin kong sagot is eto na lang na may negative. So letter D. So ganyan magsagot ng two lines na perpendicular. Again, yung slope nila ay negative reciprocal. Number 43. If the slope of any horizontal line is 0, what is the slope of any vertical line? Pause and try. And later, see the correct answer. Done? Okay, the correct answer for this problem is C. Undefined. So, paano ba naging undefined yung slope ng vertical line? Explain natin sila maigi. And ito rin na horizontal line. Ang gawin natin first is, kunwari gawa tayo ng horizontal line and dito yung vertical line. So kapag horizontal line, pahiga siya. And vertical, patayo. Patayong patayo. And ito, higang-higa. Now, slope yung pinag-uusapan natin. Now, gamitin natin yung ibang formula sa slope ng line. Slope that is equal to rise over run. Ano tong rise? Ito yung pataas and yung run, ito yung pa-right or pa-left. Now, paano ba natin siya mai-illustrate na rise and run? So, ang gagawin natin is gawa tayo ng dalawang points sa line. Dito tayo sa horizontal muna. So, magiging ang rise natin dyan is, since from this point to this point, hindi naman siya nag-rise, therefore, ang rise natin is 0. And sa run, ilan ba yung distance sa kanila? Kahit ano yan, tawagin na natin siyang n or tawagin na natin eksakto. Eksaktong 10, 5, 20, kahit ano. Lagay natin 100. Ito yung distance nila. Therefore, we have 0 over any number that is always equal to, okay, that is equal to 0. Except, ito yung denominator ay 0. Kasi 0 over 0, that is indeterminate. Yun. Kaya yung slope ng horizontal line is 0. Gamit yung rise over run. Dito naman tayo sa slope ng vertical line. Gawa tayo ng dalawang points. Now, etong rise over run, so magiging slope is equal to ilan yung rise niya. From this point to this point, ilan yung itinaas niya. Kunwari, yung tinaas niya, yung distance nila ay 50. Kunwari 1,000 or any number. Lagay natin, kunwari 15 over yung run natin ilan. Diba hindi naman siya nagpa-right, hindi rin siya nagpa-left. Kasi magka-ano lang naman yan, magkapantay. Therefore, yung run natin is 0 and any number over 0 is, okay, that is undefined. Therefore, yung slope ng any vertical line is undefined. Yun. Tandaan natin yung concept ng slope ng horizontal line and vertical line. Gamit itong slope is equal to rise over run. Ibang formula sa slope. Number 44. Evaluate log of this base 1 over 3. Pause and try. Done? Okay, paano ba natin to mai-evaluate na logarithm? Ang gagawin natin is, evaluate muna natin tong sa loob. So magiging, copy muna natin yung log 1 over 3, yung base. Now, paano ba natin to masosolve or mai-evaluate na log 216 base 6? Gamitan lang natin siya ng properties or mga rules sa logarithm. Diba 216 is equal to 6 raised to 3, right? So gawin natin, palitan natin siya ng 6 raised to 3. Now, using power rule, kapag mayroon tayong power or exponent sa loob, sa argument, yung power na yon pwede natin siya ibaba. So magiging 3 times log 6 base 6. Kinapi ko lang ito. And ito, nilagay ko sa baba. Dito sa unahan. Naging multiplication. Now, another rule. Log 6 base 6 is equal to 1. Bakit naging 1? Kasi kapag mayroon tayong argument that is equal to base of log, kapag pareha sila, ang sagot is palaging 1. Therefore, matitira na lang sa atin is 3 times 1, that is 3. Now, 3, ito yung sagot dito sa loob. So, magiging, ilagay na natin siya dito. Kinopya ko lang, tapos pinalitan kong 3. Now, dito na tayo mag-focus. Ano yung next na gagawin natin? Ang gagawin ko is, etong 3 na argument, pwede ba natin siya masulat as may base na 1 over 3? Yes. 3 is equal to 1/3 raised to negative 1. Tama ba? Kasi kapag negative 1 yung power, i-reciprocal lang natin yung nasa loob. Reciprocal of 1/3, that is 3. Therefore, eto ay equal lang naman dito. So now, makikita na naman natin yung rule sa logarithm. Yung power rule. Kasi mayroon tayong power sa loob ng argument. So, ang gagawin natin, itong power, ilagay lang natin sa baba or dito sa unahan. So, magiging times and copy. Now, another rule, yung kanina, meron tayong argument equal sa base, this is equal to 1. Therefore, magiging negative 1 times 1. This is equal to negative 1 times 1, that is negative 1. Ito na yung final answer natin. Huwag natin kalimutan yung mga rules sa logarithm. Yung power rule and identity rule. Identity rule, ito, and ito. Palaging 1 yung sagot nila. Number 45. A bag contains 6 blue balls, 15 green, and a certain number of red balls. The bag is shaken before Andrew randomly chooses one ball from the bag. If the probability that Andrew doesn't pick a red ball is 0.7, how many red balls are there in the bag? Pause and try. And later, see my solution. Done? Okay. Analyze natin maigi. Sabi daw, meron tayong bag na merong 6 blue balls. Ilagay natin 6 blue, 15 green, and a certain number of reds. Let's say that is R red. Next, the bag is shaken before Andrew randomly chooses one ball from the bag. So, ilan na daw? Kinalog muna yung bag bago siya magpili ng isang ball from the bag out of these balls. Next, if the probability that Andrew doesn't pick a red ball is 0.7, pag sinabi natin doesn't pick a red ball, ito daw yung probability na hindi niya mabubunot yung red ball, ibig sabihin, etong 0.7 is the sum of etong dalawa na probability. Ito yung probability of blue and green. Tapos, pinapahanap yung how many red balls are there in the bag. So, hahanapin natin yung red balls. Let's say that is R. So, paano ba natin to masosolve? Di ba binigay yung probability na kapag nagbunot daw ng isang ball from the bag, yung probability daw or yung chance na hindi makukuha yung red is 0.7. Kung 0.7 yung probability na hindi red, therefore 0.3 yung probability ng red, right? So, meron tayong probability ng red. Kasi 'di ba, ang sum ng probabilities is palaging 1. So magiging 1 minus 0.7, that is 0.3. Now, ano yung next na gagawin natin? Para mahanap yung number of red balls, ang gagawin natin is gamitan natin ng formula sa probability. So, ang formula sa probability, that is number of favorable outcomes over total outcomes. So, paano ba natin to gagamitin para mahanap yung red? Di ba meron na tayong probability ng red? So, ilagay natin, that is 0.3 equals, etong number of favorable outcomes, ito yung hinahanap natin. Yan yung number of red. So, ilagay natin R. And itong total outcomes, ito yung lahat ng balls. Ilan lahat yung balls? That is 6 plus 15 plus R, di ba? Plus R kasi kasama pa siya sa total na balls. Now, gamit ito na equation, masusolve na natin si R. Ang first na gawin natin, 6 plus 15, that is 21. Next, since meron tayong decimal, ang pangit naman kung may decimal, ang gawin natin, multiply both sides by 10. Bakit 10? Kasi 10 times 0.3, that is 3. So, dito na lang tayo. 3 is equal to 10R over 21 plus R. And, burahin na natin to. Solving for R, ang gawin lang natin is cross-multiply. Ito. So, magiging 3 times 21 plus R equals 1 times 10R. Distribute, this is 63. 3 times R, that is 3R. And, ikabila natin to. So, magiging minus 3R. So, that is 7R. Diba? 10R minus 3R, 7R. And we have 63. Divide both sides by 7. Makukuha natin, R is equal to 63 divided by 7, that is 9. Therefore, our final answer is letter C. Yun.